we're going to sell the, we're going to put a signal out here to sell the, it's an in-the-money call spread, guys. An in the money, but it's not anything that anybody has to be concerned about any sort of assignment. Just give me a couple seconds here, guys. I'm looking at what could be the best possibility here. All right, I'm going to come back to that, guys. I want to manage PG here. Okay, so PG looks like it's trading about $1.10, $1.15, somewhere in that range, guys. So I'm going to send an exit signal out for those that were filled.